Today, I would like to give you an insight into the AIMS measurement request used during setup and production. In the recipe, the precise description of how a tool must be manufactured, there are two areas for the ongoing measurement requests that AIMS can trigger. The first area describes the measurement request during a batch setup, the first run of a new tool batch on the machine. There are two special features here: the batch setup limit and the batch setup goal. The batch setup limit specifies the maximum number of tools that can be used for the batch setup. The batch setup goal describes the number of tools that must be within tolerance in a row. During batch setup, each tool is measured. The machine waits in warm-up mode for the measurement results before the next tool is ground. Any necessary compensation is performed before the next tool. This way, AIMS ensures that production only starts with perfectly set values. The start is triggered when the batch setup goal is reached. Once the batch setup goal is reached, the machine processes all other tools in the active palette. Regular measurements can be set by specifying the frequency. AIMS then sends a continuous measurement request, checks the quality, and corrects any deviations. During the measurement process, the machine continues production and corrects the next tool. Each area can be assigned its own measurement process, allowing additional parameters to be measured during batch setup and only the actual relevant parameters to be measured in process. The strategy and procedure for compensation can also be set individually for each area. I hope this tip has helped you understand the difference between batch setup and in-process measurements in AIMS. If you have any questions, please leave us a comment on this video. See you next Tooltip Tuesday.